On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
What's up, Minitruck? Take a ride to Jeffros again. He's got a crate 350 GM good wrench that he pulled out of that Chevy. You know, the one that he put in that Dodge Turbo Cummings. He's got a generator he's going to give us. We'll grab those. We'll see how this carburetor goes. Brought some tools if you want to mess around with the timing a little bit on you. Oh yeah, I ordered another set of video glasses to try out. Somebody recommended, so we'll see how they work too. I definitely feel a power increase just doing a carburetor. This is a good test because by the time I hit that sharp corner up here, I was below 40 miles an hour. I'm not even pushing it right now, let's see. Because I'd be doing about 35 by the time I hit that corner up there. Oh yeah, I didn't even push it. Definitely an improvement. I know that for a fact. Look out, Tiny Tonka. Mini-truck's coming for you. This hill coming out of Kent is another good one. Because, man, I could barely get 40 coming through there, and I'm climbing now. Oh, man. This truck's going to slow us down. It's probably the first time I ever pushed a truck or anything up this hill. Slowed me down. Thanks, Ford. Still can't pull it in fourth, but you're doing better. It's alright, I'll catch up to that Ford and I'll push him now for slowing us down. Supercharger will probably give it just that little bit of oomph. I can do it in fourth coming up this. Here we come, Ford. You gonna pass him, Mini? Don't do that too often, huh? Now Minnie's getting all cocky, trying to push all these cars up these hills and stuff. You left that Ford in the dust, Minnie. You smoked him. Hey, what's Jeffros Cobb job doing today?
Oh, hooking a key switch up. Don't know why this thing wasn't starting work. You go put it on start, it would take away the juice.
Oh, to the run, and then when you let it go, I heard that the other day. As soon as you let it go, it took off.
Started up. I mean, these things don't come out easy, they don't.
Guess they didn't want you to hotwire it back in the day.
Yeah.
Boy, Tiny Tonka better look out. Just with that carburetor, Mini's fast.
Oh yeah? Carburetor, huh?
Just a carburetor. Made a pretty good difference, man. It pulls up the hills a lot better. I had a Ford truck, slowed me down going up that hill. And then as soon as we got over the peak of the hill, I friggin' kept it floored and I got enough speed to pass. And I don't think I've ever passed anybody in this.
No shit.
Yeah. And wouldn't you know, it was warmed up, loosen this up in this plate behind here. There's antifreeze in this intake. So as soon as I loosened that up, antifreeze ran all over and got inside the intake a little bit. And I'm like, oh man.
What's the antifreeze in the intake?
I think it's to warm it up. I wish I could take it out, but it looks like this one is going in here.
Yeah.
But I think it runs in here and then runs through
mine's got
port.
that too. You know, that pipe going in there. Yeah. Runs good.
Yeah. It's got a little bit of a dead spot when you go to take off, like right there. There's a little dead spot. And then I disconnected the vacuum advance. And it seemed like it went away. But then I advanced the timing just a little bit more.
Now what's this, electric choke?
Electric shutoff. It's got a manual choke on it, so I ordered the case. I had to bend this up because it was hitting here.
Yeah.
Every single one of these vacuum lines was pollution. Only these two went to the distributor.
No shit.
And then of course I didn't hook this back up, but that's the vent for the gas tank.
Yeah.
All the rest I capped off. You know, there's like a thermostatic valve there. There was another. This went into that. You know, it's like. And
you got one here.
Yeah, that went to the bottom of this, which I think is just if it leaks, it doesn't run all over the engine. Because that's a fuel pump. But yeah, she's running good.
I'll have to take the yellow one.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Test it out, see if it made a difference.
Yeah, we definitely should.
Oh, we should do it before we put the motor back of this.
Yeah.
We'll have lunch.
Yeah, we'll do lunch. It is a good wrench motor.
Yeah, look inside, it's clean.
Oh yeah, not bad. Doesn't have too many miles.
Well, it's sitting inside his garage here for years. And look at this. Looks like power pack heads.
Don't let Tiny leave you in the dust now, Minnie. It's a Minitruck race. Get him, Minnie. Missed a gear. Right there, Minnie. Definitely improvement. Those Suzuki motors are 4 valves. These are 2 valves. You want to pass, Minnie? I know. Definitely hanging right there now, huh? I missed 3rd gear, too. Still pulling a little, but still did good, Minnie. Say that again?
Oh, the big stack I got on you.
Oh yeah, still pulled away.
Oh crap, you know, gives you more volume.
Yeah. Not as bad as before, though.
Oh, you stayed right with me for the most part. No, you stayed with me for the most part.
Yeah, and then you just kept slowly creeping away.
It's a big difference in that.
Oh yeah.
I had it tried this time when you stay away, you know, they had it right to the floorboard all
Yeah.
the time. Every gear right to the floorboard.
And I didn't mess with the timing or anything yet either. I mean, I kind of bumped it up a little, but I was going to try to go a couple more
I noticed a big
degrees.
difference when you took off from the house too.
Oh yeah. Yeah, because you always walked away from me off the start. Well, these are 4 valve per cylinder. Those are 2, so that's
Plus it's a heavy head of this.
right.
You know, it does make a difference that equal that fire push.
Oh yeah. I'll have to do it again when I get the supercharger. Definitely.
A few moments later.
2 corned beef Reubens. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good, don't it? I should call her.
Call who?
No, that's a thing. When they see meat like that, roast beef, I should call her. So you got the onion rings and I got the French fries. Looks good.
Bye, guys.
See ya. Oh, I'm stuffed. Now that was a good Reuben.
Yeah.
I got to give that. Well, I'll let you do it first.
I'd say 9.5.
Yeah, I was going to say 9.5.
9.5.
That was pretty perfect.
MotoCheez is all in the stack.
I could see that.
It gives you updraft.
Is that angle just perfect?
Yeah, so it causes a vacuum effect.
Yeah, pulls it out, makes a vortex in the motor.
Yeah, the vortex of the motor, it sucks the gas out through the motor.
Yeah.
More volume.
It must be.
It's all in the stack. See, that's open this.
Well, Tiny's still the fastest in the group, that's for sure.
Yeah.
You always leave everybody in the dust. And remember, like you said, Ian had that van.
Yeah.
And you you left him in the dust.
I know, that was...
You're not leaving me in the dust as bad, but you're still pulling.
Yeah. Well, there's a big difference in that, though. Right?
Yeah.
I know, she was standing right behind me most of the way.
Yeah. Yeah, you're very, very slowly inching away.
Every bit of groceries I had.
Well, so was I. Trying to keep up.
My feet were over here by the bumper.
I was tucked down like I was going behind the wind.
Get you back in the house.
Okay. Hey, wait a minute. I need to advance the timing a little bit more just to see if it's better or worse.
All right.
Let's see if we can squeak another horsepower out, Mini. Missed a gear. I totally missed third gear that time.
I don't use the clutch.
You don't use the clutch? I know, this guy just, he should pull the hell over. Yeah, he's got a mattress or something. So he's only doing 35, he should pull his ass over. He should have really pulled over if he's going to do 30, 35, and a 45. Don't they know we're trying to race? Still holding all that traffic up. Advancing the timing did help a little bit.
You did?
Yeah. It feels like it. We didn't really get to do anything.
No, I got one behind one poke ass and get behind another poke ass.
What's the easiest way? Unless you got a tire, I could sit it in a tire.
I got a tire.
Mini's gonna be hauling some weight home.
I wonder if we should put something against the cab.
Yeah, even a block of wood would be alright.
Wood, yeah.
2x4, and then we'll just pull it to the front. There.
Going off the same ring?
Probably. Be alright.
She's got a payload on her.
Oh yeah. I've had a lot more, but...
Oh yeah, when you had the dirt on there.
When I go to junkyard too, I just saw a mouse run.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
The cats. That's it. Them cats.
You gotta earn its keep around here.
Yeah, really. I just can't get that mouse.
That ain't going nowhere.
Southbound and down.
Southbound and down. Thanks, Jeffro.
Thank you. Southbound and down. You got an extra generator and a motor.
Yep, we'll put that in a Corvette and take that motor out and put all the stuff on that other work motor, and it's easier than having to do it all at once.
Catch you later.
Thanks again. That sauerkraut's coming back.
I think I'm going to take a bite of Joe Biden in a few minutes.
I know. If I had a hose going to my carburetor, I would have passed Tiny Tonka. We'll see how you haul this home, Mini. Mini's got a small block in her 350 small block Chevy. Let's see, 500 for the small block. And that generator's about 200. That's not too much, I guess. 700 pounds. Actually rides a little smoother with some weight in you. With all this weight in here, it acts just like it did when it was empty with the old carburetor. Thanks again, you're a hard worker. Oh, look. It's my video glasses. Small block Chevy with Nettlebrock.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.